Hello. So we are back Monday, and we have a nice toy to fix. Okay, this is a Yamaha Motif Rack tone generator. Okay, so that's what we have to fix. The problem is the charger, it is plugged in. Okay, when I press the power button, pressing the power button, and I have nothing. It's just dead. Okay, the charger is good already. I checked. And also I checked with my power supply to be sure, it's not a charger issue. And it's not. Even with my power supply, it's not coming on. The customer said, sometimes it is coming on, but most of the times not. And we have 60.3, you can see on the screen. That's the voltage. So the idea is, can we fix this quickly? I think this is around 400, 500 pounds to buy second hand. So probably some nice toy. But usually when I hear, a power issue, that can be easy. How hard can be. Just another week. The Halloween is coming. Now let me open the screws and have a look inside, yeah? I'm just curious how what is inside and how it looks inside. Because it looks like a Pro tool. What a tone generator can have to be that expensive? I'm just curious. Because that's the price for a second-hand one. So probably new is more expensive, right? So I'm just curious. And also has a rack mount, which usually it's used for Pro Tools, yeah? Good. Wow, that's insane. Look at those chips. That's crazy. I didn't expect like from a signal generator, tone generator like this one to have this kind of chips. Like graphic chips, like processors. This is nice. So this board is the power supply and input output, and this is the processing. It is nice, and you know what? People like this guy who has the tool, probably he bought it faulty. Who knows? And just fixing it, and the price for the repair is not that high. He will make some money. What do we have here? Let's see. It's a charging port problem. I'm trying to focus there. I swear it looks like someone soldered this port before. I can see some flags there, but who knows? Okay, first let's check some basics, yeah? These are switching power supplies. These are the drivers. We have the coils. Let me grab the multimeter, my beeping one. And let's see where the plus is going. That's plus. And it's going nowhere. That's a good sign. Why this has tape here? Look how much tape is here. Do you think the power switch? Wait. Maybe it's going straight to the power switch. No, it's not going to the power switch. So that's plus, and it's not going to the power switch. What about ground? Ground? Ground it is. So that's how it comes from the factory with this tape here. I mean, I can't see anything wrong with this connector. But what's the point to be that tape over the connector? It's a mystery, we don't know yet. Let's check the switch, the power switch, yeah? Yeah, the power switch is working perfect. You can hear. Yeah. Let's take out the board because most likely the problem is on the other side of the board. And try to fix this quickly. But these look like some TV graphic chips. Okay, so we took out the screws. Now all what is left is those screws on the back. You see, it has a lot of screws. And it has even a USB computer connection. Yeah, that can explain why it's so expensive. Well, you know what? Probably someone opened this before because the screws are around it. Okay, we only have one more screw left, or two left. And yeah, we can take the board out. Those are the screws. You know, I'm happy when I see a device with all screws are the same. So all screws from inside, outside are exactly the same. Happy to see something like that. So let's have a look on the other side of the board. Ah, come on. No, that's crazy. This is just a basic fault, and I can see more faults here. The USB port solders are cracked. The connector is good, but someone already soldered this thingy. You can see someone soldered. These are cracked from the USB. And it's going straight to this connector, which is the switch. And remember, I checked and was not going there. Okay, this is a nice one. This is a nice and easy job. Easy, pleasant job. So you can spot the problem. Actually, the port is soldered. But look how it's cracked. You can see the track. Look, you can see it moving. You can see it moving. So that's the problem. So the track is soldered, but he goes away from here. You know, sometimes, now listen, yeah, this should be a lesson. We are ending up with some crazy things. Like, okay, this, we booked in the job for the right price. But we end up like booking in a charging port for like a £4,000 monitor. Like, see, we booked in a monitor, a black magic monitor, and we booked in the job for like £50, and later on we seen like the monitor was like £4,000. Crazy. So you have to be careful because is there is the risk. Yeah, if something goes wrong, and many times can go wrong, you have to pay that thing. Yeah. Same like how I spoke with my colleagues. Yeah, so we have last week. You remember, we done the PlayStation 5. Yeah, and we argue about the price, and he said, okay, it's more easy compared with the other PlayStation, and I said, you know what, it is more easy, but the risk is it's insane. So you have the risk like that metal, liquid metal from the processor, if it goes anywhere on the board, that board is dead, and you don't even know where is the fault. That's the catch. So you book in a job for cheap price and you will end up playing the PlayStation for like £600 or how much it is. So that's the thing. Or that monitor, you have to understand, because I got sweaty till I fixed that monitor, which was booked in for wrong price. I will not charge £50 for a £4,000 device. But it was not me who booked in the job. The job, true, it didn't look that complicated, but usually you charge for the risk. Okay. You have to charge for the risk. Okay, let's solder this thing, eh? And it's soldered perfectly. A perfect solder. This one the same, and this one. Perfect solders. Nothing to clean. The rosin is a very, very good isolator. Okay, sorry. Let's have a look on the USB connection. The man didn't pay for this, but look, that pin is gone 100%. You see this one? This is gone. You can see it's going inside. So it's like I'm human. So it doesn't matter. You pay only for to see the light on back, like for the power issue. But if I see something like that, I can't just leave it. It's I can't do it. I mean, it's already open on my desk. It costs me nothing to do a solder. Let's have a look on the other. Those are solder. Okay, here I can see a crack, so possible. That's why we seen that tape there. I can see a small crack around that solder. We can redo. every pin here. Again, it cost us nothing. Okay, so I believe we are ready to test this. What do you think? Let's put the board back. And let's just test it. Let's put one screw. Can I go to Rob? No, not all the screws the same. They have same thread, but these are smaller from the boards. Yeah. Let me plug the charger. I wish I can test this kind of toy. We plug the charger and we have a picture. Look there. So what do you think? Let me power off, power off, power on. That was an easy one. But this was an easy one. Cold, are not hot. This is warm. But it's interesting design. So probably these are proprietary chips made by Yamaha. Because that's the Yamaha sign on the chips. Anyway, if you buy this, pay attention on the charging port. It can go faulty. Probably this connector is for a extension board. Kind of boring video, but I'm happy the job is done. Huh? We help the customer. We make some money. So I suppose we are fine. I was hoping it's a little bit more problem, but because you know what, I'm not stupid. When I booked in the job, I plugged the charger and I moved the connector just to see if it's a charging port issue, and I couldn't see a charging port issue. So that's the reason why we booked this job in as a power supply problem or power issue. Otherwise, I'll book in the job, charging port. Okay, so I'll stop this video because this will be long to put all the screws back. Stop the video here. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.